Susunod na. Hello guys, so today we are going to camp here at East Hamptons and I'm with Highness. Yeah, we're just waiting for Shazla because he used the restroom. And we're looking for a good campsite for us, but I think I decided one good spot already, so we're going to book our campsite and we'll spend overnight here.
Yes! Yes!
So we're looking for our campsite. Diretso ka lang, 107 tayo.
This is 17.
Oh, this is our spot. That's our spot for today's video. So we're here. Hello.
Yes!
Hindi ko alam, di mo naman kasi chinek. Oh yeah! Hi.
Hello.
What are you cooking?
Kebab and grilled pork.
Grilling pork and kebab. So we just settled here in our campsite and we're just trying to make a dinner. This is our tent. That's our car.
Lapit mo nga yung ganun, yung tray.
This is Shazel. And this is our table, picnic table.
Yung ganun, yung silver na tray.
And so cool because we have water in our campsite. How do you feel about what you're cooking, Shazel?
It's fine. It's fine. How about you? What are you feeling right now while you're sleeping and doing nothing?
I'm chilling like a villain.
Chilling like a villain, yeah, rah, rah, rah.
So, I'm gonna drive to the restroom area. It's my first time driving alone. So, it should be interesting. I think I should be fine. I feel like Shazal is losing his mind. I saw his face. His face says everything. Okay, we'll try to go here. Oh my god, I'm so dumb in driving. So I'll show you the way. So those were the other campers, and that's where I'm driving. I'm just looking where to go out from here. I like their RVs are super cool. Okay, I have to focus driving. Easy peasy. But my parking is bagsak. Bagsak to kay Boss Shazen for sure. I don't know. This side is too close, and this side is so it's not in the middle, but it's fine. I'll do better next time. All I want to do is just to go to the bathroom anyway. So I survived my first drive by myself. Bakit parang inaangkin mo yung ganon, yung comforter? Walang comforter sa side ko.
Sinong puyat sa atin?
Ako. Galing pa ako straight sa trabaho. Knock knock. Tao po. Paano to buksan?
Puyat ka ba?
Shazel, wala akong ganun. Kumot.
First come person.
Shazel, spread mo na lang. Huwag kang selfish motherfucker. Huh? Selfish motherfucker ka. It's kind of fun to do this once in a while. Chismos ko talaga. So, yun. Pa.
Kahit ako nabawan.
Fish! Tangin ang baho!
Nagibawang ba ako? Na nag-iwan siya ng mga marks. Para pag nawala sila, alam nila kung saan sila mabili.
Oh? So, we're walking to the beach. We're looking where the beach is. But I feel like ito na yung beach kasi buhangin na yung nadaanan natin.
No. You know what? You're the bitch. So. Oh my god. Don't touch me.
Oh my goodness!
Growing up.
Alito na yung beach. Ayan na po. Andito yung sunset mamaya.
I can see.
Oh my gosh, it's stunning.
Evergreen.
So this is it.
I won't pretend I ever found my way. I've made my healthy share of fair mistakes. Still learning to give and
Loloyo talaga
take.
siya. Grabe, Highness.
But I see everything taking in the world through different light. Thought I wasted all my life, but I think I changed my mind. Yeah, I think I changed my mind.
So it's nighttime and we're doing bonfire. This is just our light. Tonight we're doing some s'mores.
G. Highness.
Okay na yan, pwede na yan. Good morning. Wake up na. It's supposed to rain in 20 minutes, so we should pack up, Shaz. Morning. It started to rain. Unfortunately, it rained past 9:30 a.m. because it's supposed to rain at 2 a.m. That way we couldn't get enough sleep in the tent. But yeah, it gave us more time to sleep and more time to prepare to get out before the heavy rain starts. So we're just doing the restroom first before we hit the road. It was a fun overnight trip. It's like a good experience. You should try once in your life.